Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Flexi pressure washer from Parkside, the model PHDF 150A1, ideal for the efficient cleaning of vehicles, masonry and outdoor areas such as patios, paths or driveways. Particularly flexible, 4 double wheels with 360 degrees rotation for great maneuverability. Saves 88% water compared to traditional hoses, working pressure 100 bar, pressure max 150 bar, flow rate max 7 liter per minute with power consumption 2000 watts, with a 3 years warranty, and it is suitable for standard system hose. Accessories included, and let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. The manual, 7 meters high pressure hose with the connections, 4 360 degrees double wheels with stop mechanism, the lens, already connected the standard vario nozzle. Press this button to remove, so easy. Press, rotate and it will lock. The turbo dirt blaster, and the standard nozzle you can adjust. Rotate and adjust the water pressure. I will show you later. We have the cleaning agent tank with the control valve here. Adjust. Remove that. We have the tube here, the standard nozzle at the front. You can adjust in that. And we have the cleaning agent, 500 ml with measure. Fill up with the cleaning agent here. And I can see the maximum, it is 500 ml. The high pressure washer gun here with a trigger. Release button for the high pressure hose. Press the button and release. You can connect that at the front, press, rotate and it will lock. So easy. The high dirt blaster. The standard water hose connection with one filter, and we have in these plastics, we need to connect them at the main unit here. The needle for cleaning. At the back we need to connect the filter, and then for the main water supply. It has silicone rubber inside, so it will be very tight. Seal it very well, no water leaks. And of course, at the front, we can connect the high pressure hose. So easy. Just press and connect. I will show you later. The holder for the high pressure hose goes at the back here. Press and it will lock. And the bottle here. Nice. And then this plastic for the high pressure gun. You can install that here. Perfect. And this plastic down here. The high pressure gun goes here. And the standard barrier nozzle. Everything has the position, the correct position. And of course, we have this plastic for the cable. And don't forget then the wheels. Slide the wheel inside here, so easy. Perfect. I like how it moves. 360 degrees rotation. And you can lock the wheels. All the wheels. So now it doesn't move. And of course at the front we have the on-off switch. Unlock the wheels. This versatile and powerful pressure washer is designed to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease, making it an essential tool for any homeowner. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel because you don't want to miss the next video in few days where I'll be testing this product and its capabilities. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.